Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this Bosch front load washing machine. My customer's complaint was that this knob is broken, this timer is broken. They were turning this, but nothing was happening. It was not making any clicking noise, like this. For this model, you can see the model number here. It's WFMC 5301 UC-15. What's happening? Bosch is not making these control boards anymore. You can only find the used one. But you can get the control board for this dryer. For some reason, it's a special order. The price is under $400, just a control panel. So this knob was broken. It has a shaft. The shaft goes inside deep inside that little small green hole. You can see it how it looks from inside. I tried to look for this knob on eBay, Amazon, and a couple other places. You cannot get this knob. It only comes if you buy this whole control panel. I looked at under that model number. I did not find anything, so I decided to look under the dryer, because the dryer knob and the washer knob is exactly the same. I was able to get this for under $400. It's really expensive. This dryer is between 9 to 12 years old, if I'm not making a mistake. It's not worth spending $400 at this age on this washing machine. And instead, if you can buy a different knob that can fit inside, that has a shaft, longer size shaft, then you will do a little bit of modification. It may work, it may not work. So I did a lot of research. After that, I found out that there was a knob. It was a circular shaped knob that had a shaft that would go inside there, and I found it from Amazon for about $23 American dollar, but I was not sure that if that's gonna work or not. We didn't want to waste any money on this one, so I told my customer that I'm gonna look for a used one if I can find it good. If not, we have two choices. Maybe we can play a game from buying it from Amazon. We may fix this, or we may spend some extra money and just waste our money for something that's not gonna work on this one. So today I got a call from my customer, and he figured this out. You see, this is a screwdriver. This looks really nice. I like this idea that my customer decided to stick a screwdriver. He probably got a screwdriver and played in there, and you can see it's coming on if you turn a screwdriver. So he's a very handy person that he figured this out. So he installed a washer there. He installed a washer inside the knob. This is the glue that he used a hot gun to glue them here and there. And then he also installed a washer there. And then he stacked this tip of the screwdriver. I guess he grounded and cut it from the actual screwdriver. Now this works perfectly fine. So my customer Ron did a good job on this one. I really like the way he did this, and this washer is fixed. He's able to use this, and I'm very glad that I learned something new from my customer today, that in future, if I have a customer, or if there is someone on YouTube or online, they are looking for something like this, they would be able to fix this, and instead of buying anything.